Okay, so the difference between descaling and cleaning your machine with a cleaning capsule. So descaling essentially removes the lime scale from the pump system in your machine. So that essentially affects pump pressure. So if you're finding that your coffee is brewing and it's quite splattery, or it's quite slow, then it could be time for a descale. You are meant to do it once every 3 months, and I don't think many people do it that often, but I highly recommend giving it a go. I think you'll find it improves the machine function as well as the taste. So this one is our Eco Descaler, so there's no nasties in there, so I really like that one. You get 2 doses out of that. And then we have the cleaning capsules. So these essentially clean the brewing chamber of your machine. So we have cleaning capsules for Nespresso, Aldi, Caffitaly, Lavazza Blue, Lavazza Modo Mio. So descaling doesn't clean the brewing chamber of the pod machine, whereas this gets in there. It has a foaming action, and it really just gives it a good clean. The first time we did this in one of our machines, we had a little chunk of mold come out that looked like a jellyfish, and I've been using them ever since. And again, our customers really love these, and you get 5 in a pack, so it's definitely worth doing this just probably once every couple of months. It only takes a couple of minutes, but again, you'll find that the flavor of your coffee is improved as well as the machine function, so it's definitely worth doing.